Welcome back everyone to Professor Simo. In today's video, we're going to discuss ElGamal Encryption, which is one of the asymmetric cryptographic systems. What is ElGamal Encryption? ElGamal Encryption is one of the public key cryptographic systems. It's based on the Diffie-Hellman key exchange principle that we have discussed in the previous video. It was developed by ElGamal in 1985. It provides an alternative to the RSA algorithm for encryption and digital signatures, because we can use ElGamal to encrypt and also be used as for digital signatures, and it also uses key exchange such that we can send an encrypted message in an unsecure communication channel, and at the same time we can have it signed, digitally signed. ElGamal is unique for its use of asymmetric keys for encrypting messages we have already discussed. So what is a brief history about ElGamal? ElGamal encryption was introduced in 1985. It developed a lot of technologies. It was developed by Palmer. Its development was part of the broader movement towards establishing robust and versatile cryptographic standards in the digital age. Again, as we have discussed, it can be used for digital signatures, encrypting and decryption, and at the same time key exchange. So, what are some challenges that were addressed by ElGamal, or what solutions did ElGamal solve? ElGamal was developed to address specific challenges in the cryptographic domain, particularly in the field of public key cryptography. One challenge that ElGamal solves is key distribution. We can distribute our exchange keys between the sender and the receiver in an unsecured channel, and at the same time no one will be able to get or know the key, such that it enhances security, because we can use key exchange and at the same time we can encrypt and decrypt a message, and we can digitally sign this message. So it's like a robust framework. So what is the ElGamal process briefly? ElGamal encryption involves three main processes: key generation, encryption, and decryption. The key generation part involves creating the public and private key pair, similar to other asymmetric encryption systems. The encryption part: a message is encrypted using the recipient's public key, ensuring that only they can decrypt it with their private key. The decryption part: the recipient uses their private key to decrypt the message, which cannot be decrypted by anyone else. What is unique to ElGamal is its reliance on mathematical functions that make it secure against certain types of attacks and suitable for digital signatures. One of these, or the main mathematical function that ElGamal uses, is the discrete logarithm problem. What are some of the key features of ElGamal encryption? Its asymmetric nature. It provides confidentiality, digital signatures, and the flexibility and of security, because it can be used in many areas. One or some of the applications of ElGamal: it can be used to have secure email communication, e-commerce transactions, and it's also used in the blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, and of course in government and military communications due to its strong security features. The future of ElGamal: quantum computing. Of course, quantum computing is affecting all other cryptographic systems, and we have to improve our thoughts and technologies to adapt with quantum computing. Ongoing research aims to adapt ElGamal to be quantum resistant. This is a future or a broader scope out of the scope of this series, so it can be discussed in a future video. As digital communications continue to evolve, the demand for robust encryption methods like ElGamal is expected to increase. So the demand on ElGamal encryption still exists and will always exist and will keep on developing, because there are a lot of communication technologies that have been increasing recently. Innovation in cryptography. ElGamal's principles continue to inspire new cryptographic solutions, adapting to emerging needs and technologies. As we have seen throughout this series, there are certain algorithms or systems that are used to develop another system. Like, for example, the Diffie-Hellman principles are used in ElGamal, such that ElGamal is an advanced part of Diffie-Hellman. As you will see in the next video, the practical implementation of ElGamal. ElGamal encryption is a versatile and secure method in the realm of asymmetric cryptography. Its unique approach to encryption and digital signatures make it a valuable tool for ensuring confidentiality and authenticity in digital communications. Understanding ElGamal is crucial for comprehending the broader landscape of cryptographic solutions and their applications. As the digital world evolves, the principles of ElGamal encryption continues to play a significant role in shaping secure communication technologies. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the practical implementation of ElGamal in the next video. Thank you.